Hi everybody, my name is Martin McNichol, CEO of Gurus, and today we'll look at the difference between using a system built with spreadsheets and a modern cloud ERP for your growing back office operations. Here we have Dylan using NetSuite and Steve who's still managing his operations with spreadsheets. They're both warehouse managers at their respective distribution companies. Today they'll be fulfilling customer orders and creating POs, and they both have the same data and deadline, tomorrow morning. Dylan uses the reminders on his dashboard to see which orders needs to be fulfilled today. He also can see right away which items are on back order and create POs. He has time to take a break and grab a cup of coffee. Steve, on the other hand, is going to have to review his emails for all the newest updates to his customer orders, inventory counts, and received purchase orders. Unfortunately, he'll have to skip his break today. With NetSuite, it's easy for your team to collaborate because all users rely on the same real-time information. Now, let's say that Dylan's order management team just confirmed a new batch of customer orders. There's no need to check emails. Unlike Steve, who won't know until he gets a phone call. He'll never have real-time data. Dylan is leaving work a little early today. Steve isn't halfway done and won't be making it home for supper tonight. And the same thing will happen the next time he's giving an urgent project. With NetSuite, your company can avoid putting this kind of strain on your team. Think about a centralized software allowing for automated and seamless processes for all your operations. Now, thank you for listening, and for more information, click on the links below and follow us for more videos like this.